Hey guys, it's the Regular Dane. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your washing machine's agitator. If your agitator is spinning both directions like this, and the bottom part is not spinning at all, that means the agitator dogs inside of here are broken. And I'm going to show you how to fix it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to get are these parts. These are called dog agits, or the dogs for the agitator itself. So we'll put these right down here. And basically what happens is the end of these, they get worn off and they need to be replaced. Okay, so just to show you again, this agitator spins both ways. And the bottom part doesn't spin at all. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is pop this little cap off that holds your fabric softener. That part just comes right off. You can set that aside. And if you look inside, there's going to be another little cap. We'll just pull that right out, just like that. And then also inside in the very middle is going to be a 7/16 bolt head. And all we're going to do is pull that out, and then we'll pull this agitator straight up. So since it's way down there, you're going to need an extension. It's possible you'll need two extensions. 7/16. And loosen this, you may have to hold the bottom of the agitator. Okay, so once you get this loosened up, as you can see inside there, there's going to be that bolt right in the middle. This part will be loose. You should be able to pull the whole thing up. If you look inside there, all we're going to do is dump this out in our hand. Make sure we have everything. You got your bolt that goes in the middle, just like that. You flip this over, and just like I showed you before, these are those dog agits. And you can see the edges are a little bit more worn than the new ones. We'll take this new bag, dog agits, so you got this little cap here, yellow cap. We're just going to slide that straight up, take one out, put one in, take one out, put one in. This yellow ring and put this back on. Take your bolt, put that back inside in the middle. Open this back up. If we can put this down and hold it at the same time, it'll be a lot easier. Like that. And we'll just tighten this bolt back up. Don't want to over tighten it, just make sure it's nice and snug. I'll put this back in, this little cap. Fabric softener. Now, spin it this way. This would be a little loose right here, but then you can spin it back the other way. And as you can see, the agitator at the bottom spins. Spins one way, and now it spins the other way. So now when your clothes are being washed, everything is going to be moving around in here instead of just being rinsed and the water just falling on it and this agitator not working at all. That's how you fix your agitator on your washing machine. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And also make sure you check out my channel because I have tons of other videos on do-it-yourself projects, fitness, nutrition, cooking, other fix-it videos, home projects, and much, much more. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.